Hello everybody, it's just going to be a quick one today. I'm just on my handheld. I wasn't really going to do a video because we've got a lot of housework to catch up on, but I thought, well, I'll show you this as a quick thing anyway. Something nice and simple. Melt in the middle fish cakes, $2.29 from Aldi, and I also got these from Iceland. Steam fresh, microwave the whole bag, creamy cheese with vegetable pasta. That was £2 for that big bag, so I don't think that's money. You could probably make your own for about the same price, I suppose. We get yourself some pasta and some peas, some mixed vegetables, I suppose, and some Philadelphia or something, I suppose you could. But that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to have a melt in the middle fish cake on a bun, cob, whatever you call them, bap, with some of them on the side. And I'm going to do it in the air fryer, and they are just microwaved, where is it? Down here. 800 watt for 3 minutes. Stir it, I'll give it a shake, and then another 3 minutes. So that's simple. There's all the nutrition and that. If you want to have yourselves a look, I don't know if you can see it.
Hello? Oh, okay, so you're okay.
Oh. And he was talking then, it's not on the phone. Delicious creamy cheese vegetable panini pasta in minutes. The whole bag, £2. And the melt in the middle fish cakes. I have had these before. Don't think I've done them on my channel. And they are quite nice. I'm not sure which ones I had before. Because there are a couple of different ones. I'll just have yourselves a look anyway. I don't know if you can see it properly. So they're going to go in the air fry first, so we'll get them cracking. Oh, I'm also got myself some mushy peas for my fish cake cob, which I'm going to put at the bottom, and a bit of tartar sauce. I'm not going to put any salads or anything on. So we'll get the fish cake open and we'll have a look. I don't know whether you've had them before, whether you've seen them. They are quite thick. There's them. I can't open them because they've got to be cooked in this bag. So I'm going to get the air fryer warmed up. Air fryer is warmed up. I'm going to get my fish cake in. Nice sizzle. And I'm also going to get my buns into toast. There we go. I'll put my peas in there already. Right, I'm going to get these in now. One thing I'm going to show you. I've got a little vent there, look. So that's got to come facing up. You don't open this bag, it goes in this bag and the steam gently comes out of there, and hopefully it won't explode. See, it just starts to catch. I mean, our microwave isn't a massive one, but it's just catching a little bit. It's turning, but it just catches, look. And it is turning, so we'll be fine. Okay, now I'm going to get me mushy peas on the bottom of this one. Got about a minute left on the fish cakes and probably 2 minutes left on the pasta. Fish cakes done, looking nice. Put it there so you can see that. There we go. Turn that off. We get a dollop of tartar sauce on it. A bit more. There we go. Nice and simple. And there's the burger. And we're just waiting for the pasta. And the pasta's done. I've let it sit for 1 minute in the microwave. It's all puffed up, look, as you can see. Now let's see if I don't burn myself when we get it out. Let's move you over there. Have a look. Probably can't see. You probably can't see. Got it on the plate anyway, so let's give it a stir, so I'll just give it a shake in the bag. Well, there's loads of pasta there, look at that. That doesn't look half bad actually, to be honest with you. Does it? What do you think? There's loads and loads of peas, isn't there? There isn't much broccoli. Bit of sauce. And there's the burger. Right, let's try it. So first impressions. Doesn't look half bad, does it? See close, I suppose. There we go. Yeah. Right, let's try this pasta first. There's only me. That's just having some, call them cheese and onion slices. So she fancies. She's having some of them in a bit. So there's only me. So let's get a bit of everything on here. Let me show you a bit closer. Come on. Yeah, there isn't many florets in there. It's going to be boiling off because there's steam. Yeah, that's not half bad, you know. Bit of pepper though. That's not half bad. A little bit. Could do it a little bit thicker on the old sauce. But that ain't half bad. For something nice and convenient, you know, so you're not messing around. When it says it's for one person, if you had it like that with a burger, you just split it in two, wouldn't you? You know what I mean? Right, let's try the burger. The fish cake burger. I've had these out in the middle ones before. I'm not sure which one I had before, but I never had it on a burger. I just had it on a plate, I think. I can't remember. Sauce in the middle. That's sauce. Can't eat that yet. Not in a million years. Oh, that's burnt me lip. Oh. It's been sitting for 5 minutes. I should have left it a bit longer. Oh. I do love a fish cake though. Oh, I can't get into it yet, it's too hot. Well, you see all the gooiness, look. Coming out of it from the middle. Anyway, there you go. I say it was only something simple. I'm going to have to let that cool down. Would I buy them steamed vegetables, steamed pasta again? Yeah, I would. If you had it between two, yeah, £1 a piece. Yeah, I would. And them burgers, them fish cakes, I do like them on a bun, but they're far too hot to eat at the minute. So all in all, yeah, nice little dinner. Oh, burnt me lip. As I say, I am no food guy. Till next time, see you later. Bye-bye.